to replace the blower motor on this 2020 Chevy Impala. Blower motor is located under the glove box compartment. There are two 7mm bolts on each side. There is a cover here that you need to remove, 7mm. We also need to remove the floor vent here. It is held by T20 bolt, T20 screw right down here. Wait, it is right here. We need to remove it. There is also a 7mm bolt that you need to remove right down here. We pull down the vent. Now it doesn't have to be out all the way, so we're gonna remove our connector here for the blower motor. There is a tab in the back of it. You push it and pull the connector out. There it is. Now let's take out the connector push pin. It's secure at the blower motor. We're gonna remove it. There it is. I'll post the link in the comment section below for the tool that I'm using here. Now the blower motor is held by 3 T20 screws. Let's remove them. There is one up here. That bolt here. Not this, the one further up. You need to remove those. Here is the new one, and that's the old one here. We're gonna put them in. I got the new blower motor in. Actually, that's only held by two screws, not 3. Okay, it's only 2. So let's screw them in and let's go. Alright, blower motor's in, so we should be good to go. And we do reverse of removal. Just put the vent back in, put the 2 screws that hold it in place. Yeah. Alright, blower motor is running. We're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.